According to the National Electrical Code, or NEC, electrical connections must be made within an approved enclosure. Screw terminals, unless specifically rated for exposed use, must be enclosed to prevent accidental contact or short circuits. You have several options for enclosing screw terminals. Firstly, you can install the power converter in a listed enclosure designed for the specific model. Ensure the enclosure has appropriate ventilation and complies with the manufacturer's instructions. Secondly, you can route the 12 volts DC wires from the screw terminals into a junction box. Install a cover on the junction box to enclose the terminals. Thirdly, you can twist the 12 volts DC wires together and cut them with wire nuts. Wrap the wire nuts in exposed connections tightly with electrical tape. Since the screw terminals are recessed and shrouded in plastic, the NEC may allow for the use of wire nuts and electrical tape to enclose the connections. However, it's important to check with your local building inspector for final approval. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific power converter you are using. Do not attempt electrical work unless you are qualified to do so. Use appropriate conduit or cable clamps to secure the 14 American wire gauge Romex wires along the route. Label the wires clearly to indicate their purpose. Install an inline fuse or circuit breaker for added protection.